Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I want to show you how fix the problem when your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store. When you have the same problem as mine, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store, tap on your photo on the right corner and there choose Settings option. In it, we tap on Family and there Parental Controls. As you can see, now you have PG3, to visible game or application as Mobile Legends game. We need more than PG3. To change it, tap on it, enter your connect pin to your parental controls, and now we can easily change it from PG3 to maybe allow all included underrated, configure by understood and save. You can also turn off your parental control by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now, and we can install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!